Have you ever wondered what really makes your knuckles crack? Many people believe it's caused by bones grinding against each other, but that's actually not true. So where does that sharp popping sound come from? Let me explain. But first, if you're on the side of the angels, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if not, then maybe you're cheering for the demons. Share this video to show your support for the angels, and leave a heart in the comments if you're Team Angel. The popping sound isn't your bones at all. Inside your joints is a lubricating fluid filled with tiny gas bubbles. When you crack your knuckles, those bubbles rapidly collapse or shift, creating the distinctive popping noise you hear.